Assalamu alaikum. This tutorial is about the usage of ETL software. It means that how ETL transform data. ETL basically stands for extract, transform and load. ETL software is used to transfer data from transactional databases into data warehouse. ETL basically transfer all type of data and convert this type of data into another form and then load this data into data warehouse. So question arises that why we use ETL. Different companies and organizations have large amount of data and they sometimes want to take a critical decision, so ETL is used to take a business decision. ETL process. First is extract. ETL extract all type of data from different databases. Second is transform. It means that the process it convert data, this data of the transaction database into another form. Third is load. This is the process in which ETL load this data into data warehouse. In ETL flow, ETL get all type of data from different sources, from different databases and then transfer into another form and in the end load this data into data warehouse. That is also called semantic layer. We can perform different tasks on ETL software, but now I perform the task that transfer the file of data of one file into another. So let's see. The first file is, in first file we have the data, some like name, year, marks and ID, and in second file we remove this data second file is empty, so we transfer first file of data into second file. Now we start our ETL software. Press OK key. Now this is ETL software. We click on reader properties, select this property as a text and now we select that file. The data is in the file number 1, so we select file 1.txt. This is the all type of data. Set its field name, that is name, year, marks, and convert into auto grid format. Now we remove validation table. We connect reader with transformer. And now click on the writer. We see that it has no file. We click on writer properties and OK. Now we select that file. That is file number 2, that is empty, and we want to transfer file 1 data into file 2. So click on transformer properties. In transformer properties we convert it into auto grid format and click on the map now to map all of these tables. We convert this file into auto grid format. Now we type delete spaces, that remove the all spaces, and now we search proper case. Now we connect name table with delete spaces and then connect delete spaces with the proper case. After that proper case is connected with the first name table. Now click on process data. First file, it remove all spaces and convert into proper table, and then transfer all type of data into second file. Now we click on OK. Now we click on run. It execute that file 100% successful. Now we close this. We open that file to view that data is transferred or not. So we see that is file number 2, and in file number 2 all type of data is file 1 data is transferred.